Minister of Education should resign. As you know, in the entire country, they are asking for his resignation. Delhi, but I'll speak a few words to you now. As you know, there's agitation all over the country, all over our country, India, about what has happened to young students, the college students' exam, which has shocked the entire nation. We are having agitations, and we will have agitations in Odisha as well. And I'll repeat for you again. I was asked if the Minister of Education should resign. As you know, in the entire country, they are asking for his resignation. Not only in India, but outside our embassies in foreign countries. As his resignation has been asked for after what has been done for all these university exams, I think that he should resign. The unnecessary violence of the police on young students, not only young students, you'll have seen yesterday the leader of the opposition in parliament, many other senior politicians were also treated very roughly by the police. This is shocking.
बढिया व्यवहार करिसंती दिल्ली रे देशर युवशक्ति उपरे ताकू से संपर्क समस्त उद्वेग प्रकाश करिसंती तांकरी उक्ति आपण निजे सुनले एपरिक कहले पार्लियामेंट रे लोकसभा रे कांग्रेस विरोध दल नेता एवं अन्य समस्त नेतृवृंद मध्य ये क्षेत्र में पुलिस जो कार्यानुष्ठान ता उपरे उद्वेग प्रकाश करिसंती एवं ये संपर्क रे जे युव शक्ति मानकर जो दाबी अच्छी से संपर्क समस्त से विषय समस्त दृष्टि आकर्षण हो समस्ते नहीं उद्विग्न अच्छा देख आपण जी प्रतिक्रिया पाइले कौन कहले से कहले पुलिस कार्यानुष्ठान नहीं समस्त उद्विग्न एवं ये संपर्क में दल मत निर्विशेष समग्र राजनैतिक दल से कहले लोकसभा विरोधी दल नेता कथा भी कहले तेणु आप अनुमान करुवे निश्चित भाव में अधिकांश राजनैतिक दल ये संपर्क में निश्चित भाव में युव शक्ति जो कार्य संपर्क में ग्रहण करना निश्चय जी घर जन किए आघात पाई भेटिया आशु आरोग्य कामना कर किसी असुविधा नहीं।